So here's how to add a Steam user to your Steam Deck. So you can have more than one account and you can keep switching between the different accounts. So what you want to do is simply go to the power menu, and you can go to the power menu from 3 different ways, either from here or pressing and holding the power button. So go to the power menu and then select change account, and then confirm you want to change account. And the Steam Deck will log off the currently signed in account. And then you'll have the option to tap on the plus icon and then sign in with a different Steam account. Now all the Steam accounts you sign in are going to be saved on the Steam Deck. As you can see, I currently have 2 different accounts, and you can add another if you want to by signing in to that Steam account. Thanks for watching and good luck.